मारो वार महला तीजा, एक ओंकार सतगुर प्रसाद, सलोक महला पहला। विन गाहक गुण वेचिया, तो गुण सहगो जाए। गुण के गाहक जे मिले, तो गुण लाख बिकाए. I actually love this entire verse, which is why I thought I would record it for you, to share the meaning and the beautiful perspective that this verse is imparting. What it says is that when you are surrounded with someone who doesn't value your virtue, who doesn't value who you are, Vin gahak gun bechiya, when you don't have a customer, the right customer, when you don't have someone who recognizes your worth, when you don't have someone who values who you are, how precious you are, can you be admired? Can you be valued? It's like selling virtues to someone who doesn't know what virtues is. It's like selling diamond to a cobbler who doesn't really know the value of a diamond. To gun sag ho jai, then it is sold at peanuts, because you have not found someone, the right company, who can value you and treasure you for who you are. But then what happens in the opposite? If you find someone who can truly value you and treasure you for who you are, then your virtues is worth lakh vikai. Whatever you have, what your wares are, whatever you're trying to sell, it sells in lakhs, in millions. That is what happens when gun ka gahak je mile. If you find the right person, the person who's able to evaluate you and treasure you in the right manner, then only then the true value of the treasure comes out. Gun te gun mil paiya, je satgur maha samai. And what happens when you find someone who's able to value you, who recognizes your true value? Your values combine. Because when someone who's knowledgeable, who's valuable themselves, they are that person who also can value you and understand your attributes, your talents, your caliber, your knowledge, your value, whatever that may be. And when your value meets the value of your evaluator, the values combine. And what happens when the values combine? They are magnified, they are exemplified. And what happens when that happens? You become a force and a power to reckon with. And when and how does that happen? Jai Satgur Ma Samai. And once those powers are combined, when your virtues are exemplified, you are able to walk on your path that leads you to your Guru, that leads you to your purpose. See, our path to our Guru is different for each one of us. That everyone should leave everything, meditate, and serve the Lord in terms of just doing prayer all day is not what religion, according to me, is about. We all serve the Lord, walk the path towards the Lord in our different ways. He has made us all unique, and that is what this is saying, right? Our gun. If we are able to recognize and find someone who is able to capture our gun and value us for who we are, then we finally get on a path graced by the Lord, that path to find our true identity and to achieve our purpose. And when we are able to achieve our purpose, what the paragraph will tell you, we achieve our purpose with honesty in our heart. And when we are honest in our heart, we are nothing but on a path towards God, because that is what God is. Satnam. Ek onkar Satnam. That is where and how our Bani starts. Where all we are trying to say is that there is one but creator, the one maker of this entire universe, and he is truth. There can be truth is one, right? The truth is undebatable. Truth is factual. So whatever your truth is, it is what leads you to God. You just have to find your truth and your path. And to find your truth and your path, my friend, you need that one person who's able to evaluate you properly. And once your values combine with their values, magic happens. मोल अमोल ना पाया वनज ना लीजे हाट. This value, combined value, becomes priceless. It becomes amol. You cannot even put a figure on or evaluate the force that is created when you combine your virtues, your talent with the talent of the person who values you. When you combine those talents, no metric can put a number or a figure on that value. That is how strong and powerful you become. And if you're that strong and powerful, you cannot even buy it in a shop. That is what it is saying. And the beauty is, it doesn't stop there. What Bani says is, this combined value becomes so powerful that it never gets over. The more you use this value, the more precious it becomes. The more you use your brains, the smarter you become. The more you read, the more knowledge you gain. The more you train, the better you become. It's just like that. When you use these combined forces, these combined virtues, talents, whatever it may be, when you combine forces and use it, beauty is, it is forever and ever whole. It is complete. It can never reduce as long as your forces are combined. As long as you have around you people who value you, and you are on that path of your truth that God wants you to be on, your talent can never reduce. Your value can never be devaluated. नानक पूरा तोल है कभू न होवे घाट. And this value can never reduce. And your tol, your मूल्य, your value is हमेशा पूरा, which is complete. महला चौथा, नाम विहूने भरम से आवे जावे नींद. Now before this we spoke about the beauty and the miracle and the joy when God graces you. When you are able to find that person who is able to evaluate you. That person is, of course, God Himself, and the angels that God sends on earth, the people that He sends on earth for you to be able to find your true path. But on the flip side, if you are not able to accept His name, if you are not able to take His name, then you get swamped in doubt, in delusion, in fear. And this fear and doubt, my friend, is the biggest disservice you can do for your friend, to yourself. Because when you are in fear, then you are nothing but a body and a soul who comes and goes from earth. Aave jave neet. And when you become one among those who is coming and going,